I first did EYU, I think in 2010. So this is my 16th year. And in no way lost any of my thrill, any of the excitement of being at EYU, because the kids, the grown-ups, everybody gets incredibly excited when we bring our science out from our labs, bring it into the courtyards, and we do science with them. And we let them be scientists with us.
Today we host one of the largest open science fair in the LA County.
It's still the morning and we're at about 12,000 signups. This is the biggest EYU ever.
Faculty and students come and showcase parts of the research that they do.
This event is such an important event in 2025, especially to make sure that all kids have access to science and science education.
In a lot of ways, science is at the forefront of our evolution as a society.
I think science outreach is very important. Science is a public good. Math and the physical sciences and the life sciences, all the sciences, we create an ecosystem out of which all the technological advances that we have, new communications, more energy efficient transport, better medicines, they all come from science.
I see them kind of morph in their mindset into, oh, I'm a scientist too. And that's an incredible thing when it happens.
And it's wonderful to see so many young people interested in learning why and learning more about generally science here at EYU.
We need to do that. We need to get across what people can be and what other people are, right? For some people, they're just watching us at work. For others, they're turning into us.
2025 has been a difficult year for science, community, everything, you name it. And yet, Exploring Our Universe has managed to be the biggest it has ever been.
This event each year is important to get young people interested in science. The research that's being done is so very important, not to UCLA's future, but to the future of this planet.
And this is the time more than ever to tell people that science is for everybody, even you.
At our booth, what we do, it's called Do-It-Yourself Dynamics. We let the kids play with our rotating fluid dynamical system.
The talk I give at EYU is called Organic Chemistry in the Movies, and the goal of the talk is to help people realize the importance and the awesomeness of organic chemistry and know how important it is to everything all around us.
So we're trying to understand how the sun and solar wind impacts Earth and our magnetic environment so we can protect our infrastructure, satellites, astronauts, and even our power grid.
We love this fair so much. This is our 4th year in a row.
I chose this event for the girls because it's something new to our experience. What do you guys think about the event?
I like it.
It's nice and it's fun.
I hope that people follow their curiosity to the ends of the universe.
Yeah.
Maybe one day you can be in one of the booths.
That's our goal as parents.